This race will start at the sound of the tone in less than 5. Oh, they're charging up. Stay with them. Nice. Oh, go. Man with the inside move. Inside, out, crossover. But let's see what happens down the straightaway. Oh, he gets sideways. That Alpha is holding on for maximum grip. Left, right, uppercut. Sandman, the crafty veteran that he is. Woo! You gotta stay out of that water. That water is not your friend. Sandman running away with it.
I need more.
3.5 seconds back.
We're gonna need more than that to win.
4 minutes left.
Got Juan and Ryan battling. Juan has the 2 spot. Ryan wants it. He takes it. Juan is not going down without a fight. Inside move. Down the straightaway they go. Here he comes. He hits the water. Oh, I knew it was going to happen. No. You do donuts after you win. Meanwhile, Sam will cruise you. Listening to Mozart. He's not out of the woods.
No, I need half a lap. With 30 seconds to go. Come on, man. You got the car. All you got to do is bring it.
He's 4 points.
No water this time. No water. That's what you need. No water. Just walk me down.
.245 to go. Oh no! Ryan takes a tumble, but he's back on. Those tumble recovering body posts are saving him.
No, you lost some time there. You lost time. You didn't gain. Come on, come on. All you need is 3 good laps to close this.
2:05 to go. That Alpha is running back clean. All right, for next week, road F1. Interested. F1 is my favorite class. I want to run, so if anybody's interested, come out. We'll try to be here, as long as it's not cold.
One minute left.
1 to go. San Juan, Ryan. That is your running order. The field is spread out pretty good right now. San is trying to put a lap on Ryan. Well, he's already got a lap on it. He's trying to put another one on. Hold him off, Ryan. Don't let him look up under your skirt. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. What was that? This track is 200 by 200, and you hit the only car on the track. Come on, San, you're better than that. 10 seconds to go. San is trying to bring it home. Anita Marshall in the sweeper. Race is over. Oh, Juan, when you cross, you will be done.